Welcome to the ACE Basic Mathematics class. Today in this video we will be discussing the further part of compound angles, multiple angles, submultiple angles and transformation formula. That is the second exercise part 2 video this is. Okay. Before starting this video we will just recall the formulas which we have learned. Okay. Sin 2a equals 2 sin a, cos 2a equals cos square a minus sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square a. Tan 2a equals 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Similarly, sin 3a equals 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a equals 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So, now here are some of the questions which we need to prove that. So, prove that 1 plus sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta is equals to 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. So, in order to get this, so let me consider this LHS, okay? So, what is there in the LHS? That is 1 plus sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. So, okay. So, this 1 plus sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So, cos 2 theta have three formulas. Let me use the first formula, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So, this 1 I can write it as basic identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, 1 I will write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta whole divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here numerator is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, where you can write it as a plus b whole square. Okay. So for that reason numerator I can write it as, that is sin theta plus cos theta whole square divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So denominator is in the form of a square minus b square. You can write it as a plus b into a minus b. That is cos theta plus sin theta multiplied by cos theta minus sin theta. Numerator will be kept as it is, sin theta plus cos theta whole square divided by cos theta plus sin theta multiplied by cos theta minus sin theta. So these two terms are same. One time let me cancel. So sin theta plus cos theta over cos theta minus sin theta. So when you observe the question, it should be in terms of tan, right? So for that reason, I am dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta, because my answer should be in terms of tan. So both numerator and denominator by cos theta. So this is, okay, sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So let me take it for individual terms. So this I can write it as sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. Individual I am splitting it. So this one I can write it as cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta will get cancelled. Cos theta will get cancelled. In the numerator, sin by cos is nothing but tan theta plus 1 divided by 1 minus tan theta. Or else you can write this as 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus of tan theta. So which will be equal to RHS. Okay. Now we will move with the next question. Prove that sin A plus sin 2A over 1 plus cos 2A 1 plus cos A plus cos 2A is equals to tan A. In order to prove this, let me consider this LHS. So what is there in the left hand side? That is sin A plus sin 2A over 1 plus cos A plus cos 2A. So I'll just write which formula I'm going to use here. Sin 2A, I will write it as 2 sin A cos A. Okay. Now cos 2A, I have three formulas. In this, which one you need to use this? That one will be very important. Cos square A minus sin square A. So the other one is 2 cos square A minus 1. Third one is 1 minus 2 sin square A. Among these three, one I'll be using. So you need to identify which I'm using it. So, okay, this sin A I will write as it is. Sin 2A I will write it as 2 sin A cos A whole divided by 1 plus cos A. This cos 2A, I'll write in terms of cos because I have to cancel this one. I don't want this one. So that's the reason cos 2A I will write it as 2 cos square A minus 1. Or else your RHS is tan, right? Tan is nothing but sin A by cos A. That means your denominator completely it should be in terms of cos. Okay. Either you can use that condition. Okay. Your denominator completely should be in terms of cos. That's the reason I'm using this. This plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So in the numerator, I can take sin A common. If I take sin A common, so 1 plus 2 sin A will be left. And in the denominator, cos A plus 2 cos square A. In that again, I can take cos A common. Here, 1 plus 2 cos A will be left out. Okay. Sorry, here this is, if I take sin A common, here it is 1 plus 2 cos A. Okay. 1 plus 2 cos A, 1 plus 2 cos A will be cancelled. Okay. So what is left out is sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. Hope you understood, which is your RHS. Okay, next question. So prove that sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to tan theta. As I've already mentioned, sin 2 theta formula. Consider LHS. So LHS, what is there? It is sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so now cos 2 theta, there are three formulas. Among those, which one you need to use? That is very important. Since my RHS is tan theta, so that is I have to write numerator will be sin theta and denominator will be cos theta. So let me write that cos 2 theta in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 cos square theta. So 2 will get cancelled. One time cos will get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta will be left out, which you can write it as tan theta. Okay, so this is your right hand side, which you have proved it. Okay, next question. Prove that sin A minus cos A whole square equals 1 minus sin 2A. It's very simple. So consider the left hand side. So that is sin A minus cos A whole square. So A minus B whole square formula. What is the formula for A minus B whole square? Which is nothing but A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this one I can write this as sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A. Okay, you have this basic identity, right? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So for this, sum of these two will be 1. This sin 2A formula is 2 sin A cos A, right? 2 sin A cos A. Now we have 2 sin A cos A. You can write this as sin 2A. So we have got our RHS. Okay. Now next question. So see here. Prove that cos cube A minus sin cube A by cos A minus sin A equals 1 plus 1 by 2 into sin 2A. So here, so we will consider this LHS, so which is cos cube A minus sin cube A by cos A minus sin A. Okay, I will use this formula for A cube minus B cube. We have a formula for A cube minus B cube, which I can write it as A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. Okay, so now I'll write this cos cube A minus sin cube A as cos A minus sin A multiplied by cos square A plus sin square A plus sin A cos A whole divided by cos A minus sin A. So okay, this and this will get cancelled because both are same. So what is left out is cos square A plus sin square A plus sin A cos A. Okay, so cos square A plus sin square A based on the identity it is 1 plus sin A cos A. Okay, so now, so my RHS is, you have in the denominator 2, right? So now what I will do is, since I don't have anything in the denominator here, so what I'm doing is, this one I'm multiplying it by 2 as well as I'm dividing it by 2. So this one 1 by 2 into 2 sine A cos A. Okay, okay, this I can write it as 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 sine A cos A is nothing but sine 2A. So which is your RHS. Hope you understood. Next question. See here. Prove that cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we will consider the LHS. So what is there in the LHS? That is cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. So this you can write it as, since we don't have any formula for power 4, I'll just split this power as cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. You can write it as product of sum of the numbers and the difference of the numbers. So this I can write it as cos square theta plus sin square theta multiplied by cos square theta minus sin square theta. However, this is 1 into cos square theta minus of sin square theta. 1 into something is always the same number. So that is cos square theta minus of sin square theta. So now my answer should be everything in terms of cos, right, in the RHS. So this cos square theta I will write as it is. Since it is a negative, I'll write in the brackets. So from the basic identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here I can write it as sin square theta as 1 minus of cos square theta. So now this sin square will be 1 minus of cos square theta. I'm just continuing here. So this is cos square theta minus 1, minus of minus will be plus cos square theta. Cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Understood?